What's going on YouTube? Blown PC here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I update drivers that I might not know are outdated. So a good way to do this is to download a program called CCleaner. And now this is free. This does a variety of things, a lot of helpful things. For me, I like to use a registry cleaner. That's the first and foremost use of this for myself. But you can update drivers. You can use the performance optimizer. You can custom clean your hard drives, your applications. It frees up a lot of space. It makes your PC run a lot better. So in this video, we're going to focus on driver updates. Now, typically, if you want to have this program scan for updates for your computer and update them automatically, you can pay for that. You have to get the updated version of the program. I don't like to do that because what it does is it gives me the updates. It tells me what needs to be updated. So for example, we're going to do the connectivity right here. I scan and it tells me I need a Realtek Gaming 2.5 gig E family controller number 2 driver. So what I'm going to do is hit details. So this is going to tell me what I currently have installed right here, the version number, and it's going to give you the updated version number. And it's going to ask if I want to update here. You can click that, but again, you're going to have to pay for it on this, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. What we're going to do is we're going to take that driver number, though, and we're going to go to a website. This is Microsoft's update catalog. And we can't copy and paste, unfortunately, but what we can do is simply type in that driver number, the updated one, and then hit the search button. What this is going to do is it's going to search Microsoft's update catalog for a driver version that matches that particular type that I put in, and it'll populate the results here. And now what you got to do is make sure that the title has your version number in it, that it does match what you're looking for here, and that you are picking the correct version of Windows. So our version ends in 2023, 8152023. There is a variety of these. We're going to go to the latest one here. We're going to click download. Now this will apply to any other drivers too. Again, you got to make sure that you have the correct operating system, the correct product, the correct version. So what it's going to do is going to pop up a window here. You're going to click this little link that it provides, and it's going to download. You're going to open up the download. It's going to be a zip file. Open that up, and then what you're going to do is make a new folder or pick a path that you want to put the update files into. I'm going to call this one just update 2. We're going to open it up, go back to our zip file, copy everything over into our new folder so that it's all here now. And then what we're going to do is go to Device Manager. If you don't know where that is, simply type it in your search bar and it'll pop up right here. It's under Control Panel. So this will bring up all your devices on your computer. So again, according to this, I'm looking for my Realtek Gaming family controller. Now I know that's a network adapter, but you might not know, depending on the driver title. You might have to do some searching through some of these categories. Here's my Realtek Gaming family controller number 2. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to go to my driver. I'm going to update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Let's go back one. Browse instead. We're going to go to update 2 and install the drivers. Depending on the size of the file and depending on what driver it is, the time is going to vary on this. Sometimes it'll give you a message saying that you currently have the best supported driver available. And even though you know it's not true, there is an option that you can go in and force it through. But as you can see, we successfully updated that driver. And there's really nothing more you need to do there. You can go back to your driver's report on CCleaner, and you can scan again. And what you're going to notice is that that particular driver is going to be out of the list now. This is a great way to see what drivers are out of date on your computer and to eliminate them one by one by simply going to this driver report list, clicking on the details, seeing what driver version you need. Again, going to Microsoft's update catalog and typing in that version number that you see, that driver version number over here, type it in right there. So we'll do this one and just to give it a little bit of a refresh. Type in our driver version, you hit search. Make sure that your OS is the correct version over here and that you're actually downloading the correct updates here. So you want the title to match what you're actually looking for. So we're looking for Intel Management Engine Interface. That's exactly what this is right here. And we want Windows 10, which is what I have. We're going to download. Click our little link. Open our zip file. Create a new folder somewhere. Drag the contents of the zip file into the new folder. Go to your device manager. And this one, I might have to do some searching for, depending on where it is. I need the name of it again. Intel Management Interface. Intel Management Interface. This is a good example of me having to hunt this down. Here we go. It's right here. You double click on that, you're going to go to driver, update driver, browse my computer, select a folder. We're going to go to update 3 and make sure you choose the correct bit. It says, has determined you have the best drivers already installed. Well, we know that that's not true. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to have disk. We're going to browse. We're not going to do update, but we're going to do update 3. Let's go back and see if this one will work right here. We're looking for an INF file. Boom, and there it is. Successfully updated your driver. Let's go back to CCleaner and see if this fixed our issues. And you do this one by one until you eliminate all your drivers that are outdated. This could fix some potential issues that you may have. As you can see, we're down to just one more driver, and I'll do that off camera here. But I hope this helped you guys out, and I hope you guys can get your stuff up to date and running a little bit better. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button below. Subscribe if you have not. There's going to be links to CCleaner in the description below, and as well as WinZip or WinRAR, some sort of free program that you guys can use to unzip some files. But be sure to rewind, go back if you have to watch it several times. It's all here. If you have any issues, let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.